In this video, I will show you how to stop the feeding when the oxygen conditions are bad. For this, go into the menu, go to the output ports, select the plug where your feeder is connected, in my case plug 1. Go into the feeder submenu and select as additional function low O2 oxygen protection. If I go back, then I see here this new item appearing, environmental based feeding. I select this here, and now I need to select which oxygen sensor reading shall be used. In my case, it is also plug 1, which is the oxygen sensor in the same tank. The low oxygen protection is the concentration under which no feeding shall take place. For example, if the oxygen concentration falls below 65%, then there is no feeding and you will receive an alarm via your app so that this feeding portion is not fed. That's it already. If you want to enhance that, you can also enter here an air pressure under which is not fed, or the temperature range, the lower temperature and the upper temperature where feeding is allowed.